Students, in this today's video lecture, we will discuss about the second part of the unit 4, that is plastic manufacturing. So in the plastic manufacturing, so in today's class we are going to discuss about the various operating method of plastic manufacturing. Main thing is injection molding. So as the name implies, injection, just like as the injection what we are taking for our health. So a single action hydraulics injection machine in 1870 itself, solid void neck flat product is manufactured like bucket, cabinet, automobile, industrial parts, etc. Type of injection: hand injection, plunger type injection, reciprocating screw type injection machines or various types. Hand injection molding machines are utilized for the smaller particles, smaller equipment on plunger type injection molding machines are somewhat heavier. That is, so in the hand operation we are getting less output. Reciprocating screw, the feeding nozzle, compression zone, metering zone, machining component, that is screw. Injection plastic is the material by reciprocating screw inject the molten material to the closed mold, cools on the mold. So injection molding items, these are all the slide indicates what are all the injection produced with the help of the injection molding system. So advantages of injection molding process: parts can be reduced, production rate increased, volume of production is high. Parts can be molded in a combination of the plastic and such filler and glass, asbestos, talc, etc. Limitation of injection molding and the molding equipment: machining cost high, machining operation sequence. The mold closes and the screw begins moving forward and the injection. Machining operation sequence: the cavity is packed as the screw continuously move forward. The cavity tool cools the gate freezer of machine operation sequence. The mold opens the pattern and eject the that is our product. So the video indicate about the operation process. Molding system: instead of single piece we can produce so 2 or 3 pieces simultaneous. Next, screw used in injection molding system: instead of plunger we can make use of the screws. Back pressure is amount of pressure exerted by the material ahead of the screw. Easy injection of material, avoid short. Crystalline structure, type of crystalline plastics are polyethylene, polypropylene, nylon, acetal, polyethylene, Teflon. So this is the semi-crystalline plastics. The shape shows difference between the amorphous and crystalline plastics. Amorphous polymer has the no specific melting temperature, shrinkage is less. Oriented structure indicate the thermoplastic structure. Orientation structure. While following the channel activity, the mold as the touches the surface of the mold. The parameters are viscosity, resistance to flow, high viscosity. So viscosity taking the main parameter in the injection molding system. Viscosity versus airflow rate, Newtonian fluid. Application of the flow knowledge. Polystyrene, polyethylene, polypropylene. Effect of temperature. Viscosity versus temperature. Melting temperature, viscosity, pressure. So you can raise the questions any on this topic using of the injection molding machines or extrusion type. You can raise your questions. Molecular weight distribution. So molecular weight distribution is mainly considered in the plastic manufacturing method. Depends upon the molecular weight distribution, the strength of the product is finalized. For plastic processing conditions, heating the plastic, flow to fill, heating the plastic, increased volume, reduced viscosity. Approximately half-inch plastics per 1000 psi forced in the cavities. So we can change the pressure according to our product output. Any questions?